In 1782, the British sign a preliminary agreement in Paris, recognizing American independence. In 1919, women cast votes for the first time in French legislative elections. In 1974, Pioneer 2 sends photos back to NASA as it nears Jupiter. In 1974, India and Pakistan decide to end a 10-year trade ban. In 1982, Thriller, Michael Jackson's second solo album, released. The album, produced by Quincy Jones, became the best-selling album in history. In 2004, on the game show Jeopardy! Contestant Ken Jennings loses after 74 consecutive victories. It is the longest winning streak in game show history, earning him a total of over $3 million. In 1979, Pope John Paul II becomes the first pope in 1,000 years to attend an Orthodox Mass. In 1995, Operation Desert Storm officially comes to an end. In 1900, Oscar Wilde dies in a Paris hotel room after saying of the room's wallpaper, "One of us had to go."